On importance of online digital libraries in modern era. When we talk about online digital libraries, web libraries, audiovisual libraries, virtual libraries, student always ask, why sir? Why online library, digital libraries? We have our manual library, we have our semester books too, books, and these semester books are really enough to get a good number of marks. Means if they can even score 90% of marks by semester books. Yeah. But that 90% of marks are really enough to get a good job? No. There are so many steps they have to go across with, then only they'll get a good job. In that, there are 4 5 steps they have to go across with getting a good job. The first two steps, the first step is 50% marks will be taken from their graduation. If they score 90, the 50% marks means 45 percentage of marks will be taken for the consideration. And next is entrance exam. The next step, entrance exam, if they score 80 in the entrance exam, the 40% marks will be taken for the consideration. 40 plus 45 from the graduation, total 85% is their score. With the 85%, if they select for the next step, if they shortlisted, then the next step is group discussion. When they go for the group discussion, they will be tested with spoken language, they will be tested with communication skills, they will be tested with good subject knowledge. For that, they need digital libraries and other different sources, other different services, sources like encyclopedias, dictionaries, thesaurus, and reference books, and video trainings, audio trainings. These all are very mandatory to get knowledge, subject knowledge, and other knowledge. So when they go for group discussion, their spoken and subject knowledge will be tested, and the next step is aptitude test. When they get pass of aptitude test, essay writing is the next step. And when they go for the essay writing, their language will be tested, their knowledge will be tested. For the language, they have to read novels and newspapers and so other sources. So in limited newspapers, they unable to reach with all the students. So there is a reason. If we go for e-newspapers, we can reach 1,000 students at a same day. So the reason we need digital libraries. And when they get pass of essay writing, they have to attend personal interview. When they go for the personal interview, their body language will be tested, their soft skill will be tested, the presentation skills will be tested. For these skills, they have to get different trainings. For getting trainings, they have to work 24 into 7. That will be possible on digital libraries. What is digital library? What it contains? Digital library means it has so many sources, it has so many services and special facilities. So sources, I'll tell you what kind of sources it contains. It contains books, e-books, e-journals, e-newspapers, e-encyclopedias, e-dictionaries, e-question papers, and e-databases, and other e-video trainings, e-audio trainings. Means all different sources it contains. And services, like there are many services we can provide through our online digital libraries. Like about our libraries, about is it contains motto, vision, mission of the library, and we can provide our gallery, our library gallery. Through that, sections of libraries can be displayed and events of libraries can be displayed through images. And library corner will give information about a glance of library, collection of libraries, timing of libraries, and staff pattern of library, and other information can be provided through our library corner or library at a glance. And services, I was telling, services like scholarship. Information about scholarships is very mandatory. We can provide government scholarships information, private scholarship information, and so many organizations also providing different kind of scholarships that can be highlighted here. Even many individuals are providing scholarships, and our alumni can also provide scholarships to our students. So that can be highlighted here. It will be very helpful to the student. And study abroad service. In study abroad service, we can give different kind of information to reach the student goals. Many students are having dream to study in abroad, dream to get post graduation from the abroad universities, that we can fulfill through our online digital libraries. How? How means we can provide information about standardized tests. There are so many tests: SAT, ACT, GRE, GMAT, TOEFL. We can provide information on different tests, and we can provide their question papers. We can provide source services on, and even video trainings on the examinations, and study materials we can provide. There are many hyperlinks are available that can be linked here. Through our digital library, we can provide information about our different tests. When they get pass of tests, we have to provide accreditation of the institution where they join, because it's very mandatory. Otherwise, they may get bluff or they may cheat it. So the reason we can provide information about different accreditation they are getting from different agencies, as we get from NAC. So that can be provided through our digital libraries. And application packet, this is very mandatory. What are the applications? Present applications are available for different institutions that can be provided. There are many sites are available which will provide present application of all the universities and all the institutions of abroad studies. That can be linked here, that can be provided, so they can access present application for the institution for getting admission. And visa information, getting education visa, how to get a education visa, what is the procedure to get a education visa, and what is the procedure to get a education visa education loan. Okay, this information we can provide through our online digital libraries. And search engines, we can provide through that search engines. They can access different kind of courses available in abroad universities. When they search different courses, they can choose, they can get many options to select different courses. So the reason we can provide search engines for searching different courses. There are many particular search engines are available that can be hyperlinked through our online digital library. And financing abroad study, there are many NGOs, many companies are providing financial support to the students. They provide, they'll conduct some examinations. If they get passed in that examinations, they will be supported with 20 to 30 lakhs of money, and they'll send them to the abroad. They'll wait for the completion of the course, and after return they'll give job with a good package. So that kind of information we can provide through our online digital libraries. And over view of abroad study system, before joining any course in abroad universities, better they should know the system of their education system, so then it will be more comfortable to the students. And pre-departure information we can provide to the students. That is a very mandatory, because many students come from villages. They are having dream to complete their post-graduation abroad, but because of these basic things they don't go for it. So the reason, the basic things are very mandatory. Pre-departure information is also very mandatory. So the reason we can provide that kind of information from our online digital library. And so also for athletic students also, many NGOs and many companies are funding. They can get their training from abroad training centers. And there are many universities, they have their study center, otherwise they have their branch university in India, in Chennai, in Pune, Hyderabad, Madurai, Bangalore, Jaipur, and Varanasi. They have many universities are having their own branch and or study center in India. Through that we can join their courses and we can get this certificate from their universities. And information about embassies also very very mandatory. How to attend the embassy, what are the procedures and what are the requirement that we have to provide through our online digital library. These all things cover under abroad study service. Like this service we can provide different kinds of service to our students to reach to achieve their goal. And next I'm talking about digital libraries. Digital libraries we can provide. There are many databases, so paid databases are also available and open access databases also available. Even we can create our own IR, institutional repository, by our own study materials. Otherwise we can subscribe other databases from other different R&Ds and publishers. And subject portals we can link to our online digital libraries. Subject portals are managed by many publishers, and it's paid subject portals also available and free subject portals also available that can be hyperlinked to our online digital library. And audiovisual education, we may heard about MOOCs and SWAYAM. In MOOCs we need to join their course, they'll send e-classes, they'll send e-notes, and once we complete that they'll conduct the test, and the test will be conducted through our mobile, and that 180-degree it will cover and it records the audio. It records the audio and we can answer the questions, and once we finish within 10 to 20 minutes we'll get the answer, we'll get the result. Like that we can have our different courses from our MOOCs. Like that SWAYAM is also doing. Like that so many R&Ds are doing the same thing. They are conducting the different courses that is called as a audiovisual education. And education blog. So once our students complete their graduation, they always prefer for going MA, MSc, MCom. If they finish their BA, BSc, MCom, they always prefer MA, MSc, MCom or MBA or MSW, like that. Few other courses they select. There are many different courses like IITA. International Air Transportation is providing a course, 1 year course and 1.5 year course. If they complete that, they'll get good position in airports as a manager and with a good package, lakhs together package they'll get it. Like that there are many courses are available. BLM is there, Bachelor of Labor Management. BLA is there, Bachelor of Labor Administration. Like that many special courses are available. They can go for that. That can be marketed, that can be highlighted to our students through our online digital library. And there are CEC syllabic database, like this is MHRD database. There are many MHRD databases are available, like CEC is there, PG Pathshala is there, NDL National Digital Library is there, and InfluBNet is there. Like that databases can be linked here. Through that our students can get even reference books, even textbooks. In CEC they can access textbooks. In CEC when they go for Consortium for Educational Communication, they can access, they'll get 2 text box in that. The one text box will provide you main subject, means arts, commerce, science. If they select commerce, they management and professional courses, then it will ask you commerce, law or second practice and other commerce related management and commerce related subjects. If we select commerce, then the second text box will allow you to select particular subject. If we select business communication, or if he can select financial accounting, business environment, corporate accounting, cost accounting. If you select any one of them, means if I select business communication, if I selected business communication, when I click on that, it provides you all the chapters. Okay, when we click on individual chapters, a selected shortlisted best teacher will come. He will present 1 and 1.5 hour on the topic, and PPT will be displayed below, and all transcript information, presented information will be displayed in the right part, and reference information will get it. If we are offline, we can download it, and we can, while journey, we can attend the classes, and reference also will get it. So like this CEC is working. So there are any other databases like NDL is working also same. NDL 1.5 crores of books are available. We just need to register to NDL, National Digital Library, and they'll send mail to our email, and when we click on their option, and again it will take back to the main website, and we can search our need, and based on our need it provides all the books. Even that books can be in the format of animation, can be in the format of images, can be in the format of audio, can be in the format of videos, and different materials, so which can be accessed based on our need. If we are having journey, if we are in the journey, we can have audio, we can listen the book. If we are if the student is poor, if the student is slow learner, he can access animation teaching. Okay, like that different kind of sources in the different formats it's available. So it is very helpful database. Like that PG Pathshala is there. It provides notes on different subjects in all BA, BSc, MCom related subjects, master degrees related subjects it provides. So InflipNet is also providing about 6,000 journals and about crores of books. So like that, there are many MHRD databases are available that can be accessed through our digital libraries. Otherwise, we can subscribe many databases, free databases or paid databases can be subscribed by different agencies. Then we can go for next useful links. We can provide different useful links, study materials on different courses, and information about all different departments, and even government of Karnataka and public libraries, and gadget information, and employment news information. That kind of so many different information can be provided through our useful link. Kids library can be provided. Kids library can be subscribed by their parents, and otherwise for learning, for spoken English, for other language learning, kids library will be very helpful. NCERT books can be provided through our online digital libraries, and all different language magazines can be provided, all different language journals can be provided, and subject encyclopedias also can be provided. Subject dictionaries can be provided through our online digital libraries. Even in below part, video trainings like soft skills video trainings means personality development videos can be uploaded, whether that videos may be created by our own teachers, means by our IR institutional repository. Otherwise we can subscribe from any agencies. Even open access videos also available that can be uploaded or that can be linked here. So what kind of videos? Soft skills videos, personality development, communication videos, management skills related videos, interview attending or interview presenting videos, and resume building videos, business letter related videos, and technical skill related videos can be uploaded. Learn computer basic videos, and campus to corporate videos, and language, learn French, learn Germany, learn France, learn different foreign languages can be provided through our online digital libraries. Even exam related trainings can be uploaded. GMAT, NET, SET, KPSC, UPSC, and competitive exam related, aptitude test related, and short maths, speed maths related videos training can be uploaded through our online digital libraries. And health related is very mandatory. Yoga videos, pranayama yoga videos, and mudra and gym training videos can be provided through our online digital libraries. Even we can join so many agencies, so many service providers like Bijus. They provide different kind of question papers which are presently conducted by many departments. Exams are conducted by many departments. As like IAS question papers, last month question paper maybe what it say, old question papers can be uploaded through our online digital libraries. IAS, KPSC, postal, railway, IFS, police, bank, and all other examinations. Even maybe RTO, even maybe income tax, even maybe other departments. So many other departments are conducting examinations for the jobs. That entrance notes or that entrance materials or that entrance examination question papers can be provided through our digital libraries. There are many services we can provide through our digital libraries, and even we can create our own alumni register. Our alumni can register through our online website, that means online digital library. Our digital library can be created through our website. Hyperlink can be provided through our websites, and the database can be created through our website. Our IR can be created through our website. So IR, like our alumni register, can be created through our website, means our online digital library. Alumni register, when they register to our alumni, they can modify from anywhere after the graduation, and they can update their achievement. We can honor, we can consider, we can highlight their achievements, and we can felicitate our students, and our students can adopt our other students in financial support. Okay, like that we can create our own online digital library. In conclusion, we finally came to know in the COVID-19, in the time of COVID-19, how we totally depended on online teaching and e-education. So this is very mandatory. So the reason in future we should move to the online digital libraries. Thanks for listening till end. Thank you, one and all.